Hello everyone. Today in this video I will talk about the mobile industrial air cooler. This model has the same characteristic of industrial air cooler, but this model can work in the place where you want to work in. I mean, if you doesn't need to put your industrial air cooler outside or in the roof in your place, or your place is not very big, you can use the industrial model. I will show you. To using industrial air cooler, you can, the normal situation, you will use this type. You will use it with this way. You will put your air cooler in the roof or outside the building, in the side of your building, and you will connect it with ducts, and these ducts will distribute the cold air. With this way, and you will control your air cooler from this panel, from your control room. But in some places you doesn't need to put your air cooler outside the building. In this situation, you can use this way to using your industrial air cooler. Now this is S200 model from our industrial air coolers models, and this is S400. Thank you very much, and please, if you have any question, you can leave your question in the comments, or you can call us on our WhatsApp number, or you can leave message for us. Thank you very much. Please like, comment and share.